So this morning while I was replying to comments, I had two comments stand out to me in regards to my next makeup look. One was she had purchased, I'll put your name right here. She had purchased the Lady Lagoon liner by Fenty, and this is the closest one I found in my collection. It's a Sephora pencil, it's waterproof, and the color is Summer Cruise. So I'm going to include that in my look. She said sophisticated and demure for work, office, workplace environment. So I'll do what I can do. The other things was someone wanted to know had I done a makeup look with the Chanel products. I'll put her exact comment right here. I don't remember, but one of the things she mentioned was the Water Fresh tint, and I do have that. So I went through just out of curiosity to see how many Chanel products I have, and I don't have many, but I think I can create a look that's mostly Chanel. So let's begin. I'm going to start with foundation. The foundation I have is Vitalumiere, and I'm going to start with that so we can stay in the Chanel family. And I have to go get my brushes. Pardon me. My brushes got a bath. So I have that going for me. I have fresh brushes. So I'm going to take a flat, it's a medium sweeper. It's a E54. And I'm going to put that on. I'm taking this foundation and putting it on my lid because like I said, I want to use as few of other brands as possible. So this is, like I said, the Vitalumiere, and it's in the color 35. And I'm using that on my lids as a shadow primer. Now for the eyeshadow. I'm certain that they may or may not have this color anymore. I don't know. This palette. I'm not going to show it to you again. Harmony de Soir. Night Harmony? I don't know. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, a tapered blending, E35, and I'm going to take the taupey color in this. Wow, that grabbed. I didn't recall Chanel eyeshadows having much payoff. I don't have much Chanel. I can't say why. I think it's because I like more bang, and I don't know. I don't think I'm Chanel's demographic, especially during quarantine. All right, that's see what it looks like on my brush? It's just a brown. And I'm a metallic brown, I'd say. Then I'm going to take, there's a gold in this. I'm going to take the gold. Put that on my lid. When's the blue going to come in? Where are you going to put the blue? I'll show you. That's gold. That's pretty. Alright, so far I've used a brown and then a gold on my lid. Then I'm going to take the blue, I'll put it on the outside corner. on the tight line. I'm bringing it in just a little bit. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush. I have a clean one. And I'm going to take that brown that I used up here, and I'm going to take it underneath. Then I'm going to take my black line. Let's see if there's anything left in my Tom Ford one. And I'm just dotting this between my lashes on the top. Now I'm going to use my, let's do brows. I do not have a Chanel brow product, so I'm going to use this brown shadow that I used earlier. The same one that's underneath right here. I'm going to put it in my eyebrows. This little brush is from Hobby Lobby. It's a Master's Touch Angular Shader in 1500. There's that brow. So we finished watching Outer Banks last night. It was good. We watched the whole first season. Okay. I'm going to get a brow gel setter, something to set my brows. I don't know where I don't want that, it's too dark. Oh, I was going to use it, okay. I am going to pull out something that's not Chanel. I have a sample of can't get into it though. Well, we'll just deconstruct the box here completely. All right, it is a mini size of the medium brown. Golly, Bobs, this is small. Ooh, medium brown is dark. Well, darn it. I didn't want to go this dark. Now I need a spoolie. There's one. Found it. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Jenny's filming. Let's talk outside the window. Okay, there's my brows. Let's do some mascara. Where did I put that? I have a Chanel mascara. It is Les Beiges. It's the Les Beiges. Well, we'll use that. We'll put that on my bottom lashes. What I really liked was Le Volume Revolution. Do they still make that? That was a favorite for a little bit. I wonder if there's anything left in that tube. That's nice. I got that on my contacts. Now I can't see. I'm not going to get bogged down with that little detail. I cannot find my Chanel mascara. I had a Le Volume sample somewhere, but I don't know what I did with it. Oh well. This is Superhero by It Cosmetics. There. Now I'm going to use the Water Fresh tint. Nope, that's not it. Where is it? Water Fresh tint. Les Beiges Water Fresh tint in the color Light. I'm going to use this brush. My Bdellium. It lightens up my face a good bit, doesn't it? Makes it radiant. That's where I was testing, swatching to find the perfect color that looked like Lady Lagoon from Fenty. Alright, I'm using that as my primer. That is not going to be my foundation. Because with Jenny, more is more. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. This is the Beauty Blender brand. It's just black. I don't know why I don't just buy Beauty Blender brands. I've had this Beauty Blender, I bet, for 5 years. And this is the Vitalumiere in the color, wow, I'm having a hard time. What color is it? 35. Do they soft beige? I don't even know if they make this anymore. I don't wear it very often because I usually like more coverage than this. I do not have a concealer by this brand, by Chanel. I'm going to use it as my under eye concealer and see what happens. I'm using the pointy end of my Beauty Blender. Alright. Now I'm going to set a portion of my face. I do not have any Chanel brushes. I have a Hakuhodo though. And I'm going to take this powder from Chanel. It's their blotting powder. And I'm going to set this. Alright. That was a Chanel powder. I'm going to take the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel in the color Universal. It is a cream. I'm putting a cream over a powder. I don't think I powdered my nose very much. What brush shall I use for this? I'll get up, hold on. This is my Mally foundation brush. And I'm just layering this Soleil Tan de Chanel right over the top of the powder. Just like that. Now I'm going to take a blush color in Accent. It's number 84. They don't make it anymore. And I'm going to put that over the top of the Soleil Tan de Chanel. Like that. I think I'm going to put it here too. Like that. Then I'm going to take this color, and this one's called Stardust. Put that one up here on my high cheekbones. Boy, it's subtle, isn't it? That's why I still have this stuff, because I don't get into this subtleness. Alright, here's the blush I'm going to use. It's called In Love. It's kind of peachy. Let's do a lip. Here's one right here. This one is called Velvet Extreme. It's the FedEx truck. It's not for me though. See if I can give you some more information on this. So the lipstick I have on is the Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme number 130 in Rouge Obscure. And I'm taking off the center of my lip and putting this lip gloss on. That's also by Chanel. And it is in the color 191. Yeah, it's 191. So this is my look using a pencil that I believe to be a dupe for the Fenty Lady Lagoon. And the pencil is Summer Cruise by Sephora. And I put it on my waterline and carried it out to the sides. Then for the commenter asking about a Chanel look, these are the Chanel products that I have on hand. And this is the look I created for you today. I hope you have a great evening, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow night. Ta-ta! Oh yeah, I wanted to share my shirt today. This is my sweatshirt. No, like it's not. It's maybe tacos. Yeah, this is my sweatshirt. I got it in a medium so that it would be long and comfy. It's got my initials, GB, Jenny Brogan. And it says coffee instead of Gucci. That's all. I'm going to let you go now. And like I said before, I'll see you tomorrow night at 7.